The glorious city of Şanlıurfa. Sky landed in a very old city. "Welcome to Şanlıurfa," said her new friend Denise. "It is sometimes called the City of Prophets." Sky looked at the vast, dry hills surrounding them. "It looks so ancient," she whispered. Denise started their tour in the most famous place, Basitİngilizce. This sacred pool is full of hundreds of shiny, protected carp. "Legend says a great king tried to burn Prophet Abraham here," Denise explained. "But God turned the fire into water and the wood into fish." Sky was amazed by the sheer volume of fish. They were huge and colorful, and nobody was allowed to catch them. The water sparkled brightly under the sun. "It feels magical," Sky said, carefully tossing a piece of fish food toward the largest one. Next, they climbed up to Urfa Castle, which stood high above Basitİngilizce. From the top, they could see the whole city, stretching out like a history book. Denise pointed south. "This city has history older than recorded time," he said proudly. "Before it was Şanlıurfa, it was called Edessa," Denise continued. "The name Şanlı means glorious or great. It was added because of the brave spirit of the local people." Sky imagined ancient rulers walking on the same walls centuries ago. They went inside, away from the intense sun. Denise led Sky to the impressive Şanlıurfa Museum complex. "This is where we keep secrets from 12,000 years ago," Denise whispered as they entered the grand hallway. Inside the museum, they saw incredible artifacts, especially the replica of the ancient Urfa Man statue, one of the oldest human sculptures ever found. But the highlight was the section dedicated to Göbekli Tepe. Denise explained that Göbekli Tepe, just outside the city, is the world's oldest temple, far older than the pyramids. "Imagine people building this before they even had pottery or writing," he said, shaking his head in wonder. After history lessons, it was time for fun. They went to the Kapalı Çarşı, the covered bazaar. It was loud and smelled richly of spices, leather, and fresh bread. Denise bought Sky a small tin of famous Şanlıurfa pepper flakes. For their final stop, Denise insisted they try the local food. They shared sig kofte, raw meatless meatballs made from spicy bulgur. "It's spicy, but delicious," Sky said, fanning her mouth dramatically. "Şanlıurfa is great for history and flavor,"